Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon Red and Blue on Android. First, you will need an emulator, which is an application that mimics the original Game Boy hardware. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Game Boy Emulator. There are several excellent free and paid options available, such as My Old Boy or John GBA Lite, which offers smooth gameplay and good compatibility. Next, you will need the game files themselves, known as ROMs. These are digital versions of the original Pokémon Red and Blue cartridges. While many sites offer these files, it is generally understood that you should own the physical game to legally download its ROM. A quick online search for Pokémon Red ROM or Pokémon Blue ROM will help you locate these necessary files. Once you have downloaded your Pokémon Red or Blue ROM file, it's time to set up your emulator. Open the emulator application you installed earlier. Most emulators have a simple interface where you can browse your device's storage to find and load your downloaded ROM file. Take a moment to customize settings like on-screen controls, video filters, and audio levels for your preferred experience. With everything set up, you are now ready to start your Pokémon adventure. Begin your journey through the Kanto region, catching Pokémon and battling trainers. Your emulator offers convenient save states, allowing you to instantly save and load your progress at any point. However, it is also wise to use the traditional in-game save function regularly, ensuring your progress is securely stored within the game itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.